welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be doing bagging, I guess. It's not a box. So this is, according to the tracking, this should be a full rhinestone diamond painting. I've been wanting to try one, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money unless I really do like an all rhinestone diamond painting. So I got these off of AliExpress. It was during their Black Friday sales. So I'm actually surprised I got this as quickly as I did, because I ordered this back on 11/25 and I got it on December 11. So yeah, that was what, less than 3 weeks, a bit more than 2 weeks. So yeah, this was the fastest I ever got a diamond painting, I guess, from AliExpress. So this actually came before other, like, I did like one other order during the 11/11 sale and I still haven't gotten that. So yeah, so here's the first one. Let's see. Okay, let me. So yeah, here is the first one. I'm gonna attempt to flatten it out. It is pretty creased. Like it's a pretty hard crease. I will probably have to, like, a lot, like the ones you get from like fan cells and stuff, they ship very similar to this, and they tend to have these really hard creases, and I have found that ironing on a low setting will work, because usually just putting this under heavy things does not release it, because the canvas material is very stiff. So yeah, I am probably going to have to iron this out. Man, this one crease here is pretty deep. But yeah, here is the first one. I did just get some small ones because, like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna like an all rhinestone kit, and hence why I bought this one. Okay, so this looks like some irises. I got, the store name is the most generic store name. It's called Store 326232. I'll just link it below because, yeah, who's gonna remember a bunch of numbers? And this cost me $6.20. So yeah, and it's supposed to be a 35 by 45. That's what they wrote on their description. It's probably a 30 by 40, but you know, for $6.20, it's a pretty good price. Okay, so it's 39.5 by 30. So yeah, it is a 30 by 40. They did say it was a 35 by 45, but I was expecting a 30 by 40. So yeah, it looks like there are 21 colors. They're all numbers and letters, so this should be pretty easy to do. Everything looks super clear, so I think that will be great to do. And hey, look, they are all rhinestones. Isn't it pretty? I do, what's it called, use a lot of my rhinestones to embellish some of my non-rhinestone, what they call that, diamond paintings. It does look like this black is just black. So it looks like it's all rhinestones with one being a black drill. Or no, wait, is that black? Yeah, no, that looks black. So yeah, here is the first one. Oh, it does just come with just a average toolkit. There's like 2 baggies, a little tiny wax, and then the green boat, and just a single pen with no multi-placers. But yeah, I'm actually very happy with this for how cheap it was. One, I got it really quickly, and it does look like it's in great quality. But I won't know until I actually do one, which I actually plan to kit up one of these soon so that I could complete it, because I do want to see if all rhinestone diamond paintings are something I would like to do. So yeah, here's the first one. Move that off to the side. And then the second one. So this second one was slightly cheaper. It was $6.07. I don't know how they figure out how much things cost, but yep, they're both should be a 35 by 45, but from that, I'm guessing it is a 30 by 40. So here is the next one. It does just come with the same toolkit that's just generic. Let's see if I could flatten it out. It is, yeah, it's pretty hard crease, so I'm going to have to probably iron this. And I have had zero issues ironing diamond paintings. I just iron on the very, very lowest setting before steam. So on my iron, that's like setting number 3 or something, but yeah. Oh, and I do spritz it with a little bit of water, but yeah, I just don't go overboard on doing it a long time. So yeah, here is this one. I don't know what type of flower this is. If anyone's watching and knows what type of flower it is, please let me know in the comments. So at least when I name this diamond painting, I'll name it appropriately instead of just naming it red flowers, because that's what's probably gonna happen. But yeah, the other one I'm pretty sure are irises, but yeah, this one, I don't know. It's some sort of red flower. I actually thought this was a strawberry, but I think that's just a bud. But yeah, here it is. Oh yeah, I did say, they said it was a 35 by 45, but I'm guessing it's a 30 by 40. Yeah, that's a little bit less than 30. And that is at 39.5. So yeah, 39.5. So yeah. Like I said, I expected it to be a 30 by 40 and it was only $6.07. So yeah, here it is. It's all rhinestones again. Ooh, these are pretty colors. But yeah, I kind of want to do, I think I'll do the irises first just because it has more color, and although these are pretty too, I might end up doing both of them. But yeah, no, this one has 15 colors. They do look like it's just numbers and letters, so that should be pretty easy. Yeah, some of the symbols on this are not the clearest, like I don't know if you can tell, there's a 3 and a 4 with the white background, but they're pretty, I mean, I could tell what they are, but they could get pretty hard to see. And using a light pad actually probably won't help this, because seeing the white letters under a light pad actually is harder than if it was a black letter under a light pad. So yeah, but I don't use light pads, so unless I have to, unless it's absolutely necessary. So yeah, no, this one, just probably because it's much darker colors, is not as clear as the irises. The irises, yeah, are much clearer. But yeah, there you go. Here are the 2 diamond paintings. Yeah, I'm not gonna get them both on screen, but yeah, there you go. I'm gonna try out an all rhinestone kit. All right, thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.